naturally transmitted between vertebrate animals to humans. It commemorates the historic achievement of French biologist Louis Pasteur, who successfully administered the first vaccination against the zoonotic diseases rabies on July 6, 1885. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Alia Fatima from grade 8 standard A section. Today I'm here to represent Rose House Board decoration topic International Tiger Day. International Tiger Day is celebrated annually on July 21. A global awareness campaign established in 2010 at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit. It highlights the drastic decline of wild tiger populations and the urgent need to protect their habitats, origins and history. The day was established by tiger range countries, nations where wild tigers still roam, in response to the alarming discovery that 97% of wild tigers had disappeared over the last century. During the 2010 summit in Russia, these 30 nations committed to T/2, a global conservation goal aimed at doubling the world's wild tiger population. Significance and environment. Tigers are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain. Their presence.
Good morning everyone. I am Nitishri of class 9. Today I am going to present Orchid House Board decoration topic World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28 July to spread awareness about protecting nature and conserving our natural resources. Nature provides us with clean air, water, food, medicines, and a home for living beings. However, our environment is under threat due to pollution, deforestation, climate change, and the overuse of natural resources. Nature conservation helps protect biodiversity, maintain ecological balance, and ensure a sustainable future. Every individual can make a difference by planting trees, saving water, reducing plastic use, recycling waste, and protecting wildlife. Together, let us protect nature and build a cleaner and healthier planet. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shreyas from grade 8. From Lily Group. Our notice board decoration topic is World Snake Day. World Snake Day is observed every year on July 16. The exact origin of this day not well documented and it is not officially recognized by any international organization. It is believed to have started in the year 2000 as an initiative by wildlife and conservators who wanted to spread awareness about snakes and correct the negative image people have them over time. Zoos, schools, wildlife organizations like WWF and WCS and nature lovers around the world began promoting the day through social media, events and educational programs. The main purpose of World Snake Day is to raise awareness about the importance of snakes in our ecosystem. The snakes help common birds like rats and insects maintain the balance of the food chain and even contribute to medicine through their worm, which is used to make antivenom and other treatment. Out of the 3,500 plus species of snake on earth, only about 600 are venomous, but most people fear all snakes. This fear along with habit loss hunting for leather has made snakes conservation difficult. Thank you.